Good morning, everyone. Just got done here with milking, and it's one of those beautiful weekend mornings here on the farm. There's snow on the ground here behind me. There's a little bit of a light breeze, and we're getting some stuff done today. And one of the things we're getting done is some of the fun stuff in the kitchen. We're going to be making some Spritz cookies. The girls really like doing that here during the holiday season. Advent is right around the corner. It starts next weekend here for us, and that means prepping for Christmas. So we're going to get our butts here in gear into the kitchen where you guys can see what's going on and what they're doing. My daughter Anna is getting eggs ready. Our recipe calls for 2 whole eggs and 2 extra yolks. And then it calls for 4 butters, which is a pound, 4 sticks. And then it calls for a tablespoon of vanilla and 4.5 cups of flour. The vanilla and the flour get added in sifted to the butter and the sugar. It's 1 cup of sugar to 4 on the butter. So here Tabitha is creaming the 4 sticks of butter and the 1 cup of sugar. She's doing that right now. She's just creaming it. Gets a little on the side. She's just making sure it all gets knocked in and smooth. And then she's going to add the wet ingredients here in a few minutes. Alright, so Tabitha at the moment then is getting her eggs beaten up here. Remember, this is 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. She's going to get that really beaten in. So Tabitha is adding a tablespoon of vanilla here into the well-beaten eggs. And she's going to get that all mixed in. And then she's going to get up her 4 cups of flour. So it's 4.5 cups of flour. So she's going to get that in here. She's just going to get them nice and leveled off. So she's going to very slowly add the beaten eggs in to the butter and sugar, just so we get a nice consistent batch for Christmas. Now she's going to take the flour and just kind of lightly sift it in, so it's not real packed and hard, and it goes in nice and fluffy. Did find the recipe card on this. This is kind of the recipe we like to use. 1 pound of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 extra egg yolks, 4.5 on the flour, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. Cream the sugar and butter, add the beaten eggs, the sifted flour with your vanilla. Chill before baking and cook at 350 for about 20 minutes on these cookies. So hopefully they turn out delicious. Hopefully it works out real well for us on the farm. My daughter Julia here is popping out some Spritz. I'm going to put a lot of them on a pan, nice and close together. My other daughter Anna will get out sprinkles and she'll be ready to sprinkle. I think this tray she's doing 2 colors. She's doing red on one side and green on the other. And then we'll get these in the oven at 350 once my preheat is done, and we'll get them going. Alright, so we got the convection on. Anna's going to put these in the oven here quick. And we're going to get these guys cooking. So Julia here is going to get us out a pot holder and some pot mitts, and she's going to take out the first Spritz in the oven here. These are the first Christmas Spritz. We've got some here waiting to go in on deck, and she's ready to take out the first pan. We ended up doing about 8 minutes on these cookies. Yep, they're ready to come out. She's getting out the cookies. Oh, don't they look wonderful? Folks, if you could smell this, you'd be in heaven right now. We're going to let these cool down, and then we're going to take them off the trays. They're out of the oven. They're all cool. They're ready to get, put into our tins and kept cold outside in the cold frigid air. And they'll be ready for Advent and our Christmas. I hope you guys get some time this year to make some beautiful Christmas cookies on your farm or homestead. It's a wonderful thing to do. It's pretty simple. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fast. The kids obviously love it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll keep putting out great videos like this.